This is Gambol. And this is Darwin, two best friends since childhood. One ordinary day, they were playing bowling. Suddenly, Gambol picked up the ball and said, "Do you think this ball would reach the bottom of the Mariana Trench?" Darwin laughed and said, "Of course, it would sink straight to the bottom." Gambol smiled and said, "I'm not sure it's that simple." And that's where the bet began. But who was right? Today, we're going to find out. What would happen if you dropped a bowling ball into the deepest point on Earth? And the answer is stranger than you think. Part 1. The Mariana Trench. Before we continue the bet, you need to know where the ball is going to fall. The Mariana Trench is the deepest known place on planet Earth. It reaches a depth of more than 11,000 meters. If you placed Mount Everest inside it, its peak would still be underwater. Down there is no light, no colors, just eternal darkness and pressure strong enough to crush most submarines. Part 2. The fall begins. Now, let's say you dropped a bowling ball over the trench. The moment it hits the water, it starts to sink deeper and deeper and deeper. With every meter it descends, the pressure around it grows massively. But the water resists its movement the entire way, which means it won't reach the bottom as fast as you'd imagine. Part 3. The journey to the bottom. How long would it take to reach the bottom? Around 1 full hour. 1 hour of continuously falling through darkness. And during that journey, it would pass through regions most humans have never seen. Strange creatures, transparent fish. But wait, what scientists found at the bottom of the Mariana Trench was stranger than any of these creatures. If you're enjoying this kind of video, subscribe now, because what's coming might truly surprise you. Part 4. Reaching the bottom. After a long journey, the ball finally reaches the bottom. The temperature there is close to 0, and the pressure is more than 1,000 times greater than what we feel on the surface. But the biggest surprise is that scientists found something there that shouldn't have existed at all. Plastic waste and human garbage at the deepest point on planet Earth. Even this completely isolated place has been touched by human presence. And yet, life still exists there. Living creatures surviving under nearly impossible pressure, as if nature refuses to give up. The end. So, was Darwin right? Yes, the ball would indeed sink all the way to the bottom. But the most astonishing truth isn't the ball sinking. It's that life still thrives in a place that seems impossible to live in. Now, tell me in the comments, what's the first thing you expected to find at the bottom of the Mariana Trench? And if you're not subscribed yet, now is the time.